to St. Ferdinand College. Alright, so graduation day, mga kaibigan.
For the prescribed number of years. Whereas, we have successfully completed all the academic and other requirements of the course as prescribed by St. Ferdinand College and by the Commission on Higher Education.
As Dean of the College of Criminal Justice Education, Criminology Department, I have the privilege to present to you the 351 candidates. 126 of them are under the regular program and 225 of them are under the expanded tertiary education equivalency accreditation program. I hereby further certify, Father President, that these 351 candidates have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and St. Ferdinand College.
May we request our beloved President, Reverend Father Edmundo C. Castañeda,
by the authority vested upon me by the Board of Directors of St. Ferdinand College as President, and after the certification of your Dean that you have successfully complied with all the requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and by St. Ferdinand College, I now confer on you your respective degrees and confirm you graduates of St. Ferdinand College for school year 2023-2024, and so enjoy the privileges appurtenant thereto. So graduates, you may now transfer your tassel to the right. Congratulations.
Congratulations, graduates. Your seats. Find yourself struggling to continue this journey. Remember your why. Your why is your beginning, your end, your core, and your North Star. Think of the reason why you started in the very first place and why you held on for so long. See your why in your loved ones and see that the goal is already in clearer sight. Look at not how much farther you need to go, but at how far you have come. Few months from now, you will be taking your licensure examination, and I just want to tell you that you are ready and you can do it. Class of 2024, may you never ever stop growing, exploring, learning, and challenging yourself. Congratulations and best wishes to all your future endeavors.
Thank you very much, Attorney Jenna May S. Castillo, for your inspirational message.
My mom, graduation day.
Manuyo 2, Las Piñas City. Bikutan, Taguig. Makati City.
Congrats, Mami. Tapos ang umakyat ng stage.
Castañeda Romel Ugan. Igrubay Roberto J. Bayan City, Isabela.
That concludes the awarding of plaques, certificates, and diplomas to our graduates.
To our fellow graduates, parents, professors, Attorney Jenna May S. Castillo, ma'am. To our President, Reverend Father Edmundo C. Castañeda Jr. To our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Charina G. Alejo. On behalf of our fellow graduates, I would like to congratulate everyone, our parents who are here with us today. I am deeply grateful for the support, guidance, and encouragement throughout this academic journey. First and foremost, we thank our dearest Lord for giving us courage and strength, especially during the times that we are facing challenges. To God be all the glory.
Please raise your right hands and follow after me.
College, meet your standard.
And the Holy Spirit.
Exercises and recognition rights for the school year 2023-2024. Again, congratulations, graduates. May your future endeavors be as bright as your spirits today.
To the cherished parents, guardians, and mentors, your unwavering support and guidance have been instrumental in shaping these remarkable individuals. We also would like to thank all those who, or in one way or another, have extended their help in the success of this event. God bless everyone.
Congratulations.
That's everyone. Salute mga brother sis. Another successful from Taugama P, West Rebo chapter.